If you haven't skinned a fish before, this is the best way to do it. Just put your knife down slowly. Just go down to the skin, and you grab the tail, and you move the skin backwards and forwards, and same with your knife. And you go all the way to the top. You turn it over. I'll just take the trimmings off. If you want to take the bones out, I think it's better to turn it over, and you've got the bones showing here down the center. You can use your hands or your fingers and just slowly go down, and you can feel the bones, and it's about there. What you do is you get your knife and just slowly go down, run up against the bone, and do the other side too, and go all the way up. And that's your bone over there.